Hello and welcome to Creative Nerds. In this Photoshop tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a unique knockout text effect using Photoshop. So you want to start off by selecting the type tool and just simply writing out some text. So we're going to go with the word creative. And in fact, we're going to Creative Nerds. And then we're just going to center our text in the middle of our image. And then we're just going to draw a rectangle around our text. And then we're going to change the color to be whatever color we want. So we're going to choose like a dark color that will fit in nice with our image. So a nice dark blue, which I tend to use, is 2B3 D65. That's a nice dark blue. We're just going to take the stroke off our rectangle and we're going to move the rectangle behind our text. We're going to then select our text, right click on it, select blending options, and we're just going to change the knockout to be shallow and then select OK. And then all we're going to do from there is just turn down the fill opacity to 0. And there you go. We've created a unique knockout text effect in a matter of seconds. Hope this is a useful Photoshop tutorial and one that you can incorporate into future design projects, this technique. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to Creative Nerd for the quick tips on how to use Photoshop.